You need a wee bit of help.
What? I'm trying to watch YouTube.
I'm sorry, mate. No, I didn't know.
Aye, the shooting that thing. Aye.
Right?
I'm watching your man Just Card Rob. See that Just Card Rob, aye? That boy, he can use a knife like a samurai. He's like a samurai.
Yeah, it was just I'm carving a spirit bird, and I was wondering what way should I do the
You should
wings on it.
put the shamrocks on the wings, I told you. But I told you that the last time. I said, you put the fucking shamrocks on the wings. You not listen to me.
All right, right.
Lipstick, long fingers. You ever paying attention? You come round here banging on my roof with that long fingers, and you never listen to me.
No problem.
Now I told you before, do some shamrocks for the wings. That's right, stick the shamrocks on the wings. I told you before, make sure you put a beard on it. Because the Geordie Johnson boy likes them beards.
Yeah, no problem.
He likes a big beard, and he likes it to have a moustache thing. You know what I mean, just do it. Do it like a fucking spirit board boy.
Yeah, that's grand.
Don't have me to come out of the house till you buy. I'm fed up you come around every time you're eating something, you come around here and you're banging on that roof.
All right,
You help me.
no problem.
Now wait, get it done. Get the carving done by. Come on, get it done.
Yeah, no problem.
That's right, I beat it. I'm trying to have a cup of tea.
That's okay.
Don't let that gig hit your hole on the way out again, by.
Okay.
Keep it moving. Alright?
Thank you, Will.
Right, and I'll be gone.
Okay. See you later.